Hello everyone, this is Ferhan from ferhanreviews.com, and in this video I'll be reviewing a new product called Instant Clickbank Success. Now this, I'll be honest with you, I was a little bit confused in the beginning because the training is not complete and this is just the demo access at the moment. But the concept, the idea behind it is that it creates the Clickbank offer squeeze pages for you. And it adds all the details, and you add your link in the back end, and you can quickly create pages to make some money from Clickbank products. There are some things I like about it. They give you a bonus library, so these are lead magnets, so you can offer these items out to attract more leads. What was the other one? I like the launch calendar. So I don't always look at Clickbank launches, but 1 second. Okay, so it goes through all of the upcoming launches, which is quite handy. Lead magnet library. That's where the other bonuses are. Okay, so it's on a Google Drive. Nice. Let me go back. Oops, let me close this one. So essentially it's just pretty much a customized WordPress backend to create these pages. Let me show you a page. So this is just WordPress with a customized backend. Let me just quickly, so for example this one here, let me view page. So this is a course, I think I promoted it a while ago as well. It's about battery reconditioning. So it's got this page pre-made for you. You can add in your links. You can offer your bonuses here, and you can start sending traffic. So it hosts the site for you on a custom domain with the custom subdomain. Sorry, and you can quickly start sending traffic to these pages and make some money from this. So you can share it on social media, on email marketing, whatever you want. Whoops. Let me go back. Let me see, so what else can I show you? It's got stock media, ad copy, they've got templates, it's got a built-in newsletter, which is handy, and the training, which is not complete yet. Let me see what's in tools. Okay, so you can delete individual sites, or you can modify the settings. But let me just talk to you about the bonus I've got for you. So if you buy via one of my links, you get full access to Stealth HD and advanced Gmail ads. So it teaches you how to make money by using Gmail ads rather than the normal Google ads, which these are a little bit cheaper. We're training how to create squeeze pages on your own. So if you want to make your own squeeze pages on your own hosting. This is a video training on how to build a buyers list while still making affiliate commissions. The fourth bonus is access to lockdown formulas. So it's a how-to course on affiliate marketing with additional free traffic training. And bonus 5 is all of the vendor bonuses. So if you click on the link below, you get all of these bonuses straight away. Let me talk to you about the pricing. So the front end offer, the front end product will be a one-time price. It's not a recurring price of $24. The next upsell is the Pro Unlimited version, which is $47 one time. OTO 2 is recurring profits, which is $27. OTO 3 is done for you, which is $197. OTO 4 is Ninja Training, which is $14. OTO 5 is Unlimited Traffic Channel, $197 with a downsell of $97. OTO 6 is a resale license, so you can resell at your own price for $97. And last OTO, there's quite a few here. Last OTO is Limited White Label, which is $197. So there's plenty of OTOs and plenty of choice for you. Actually, a new thing I noticed with this is they're offering a 60-day money-back guarantee. I'm sure they're on it because they have highlighted it on their page, on their sales page. But yeah, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can make big Clickbank commissions. So essentially, it's an easy solution for you to make quick Clickbank pages, and you can gather contacts, gather leads for your email list. There will be plenty of tutorials done for you, Clickbank sites, and so on. So if you're interested in this product or any of these bonuses, click on the link below. And I think it's $24 only for the launch period, which is maybe a few days. Then the price may rise. But yeah, if you pick up this product now, you'll get it at this price. Pick up some of the OTOs if you want. Maybe go for the Pro version, a limited version. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.